If you've been watching silver and thinking, is this real? Is this just another hype wave? I get it. Silver frustrates a lot of people. It moves slow until it doesn't. So I'm making this video to put my belief on record and explain why I personally think silver keeps going up, keeps rising from here. What's up, guys? Dennis here. Quick disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm just documenting what I believe and what I'm doing personally, and I'm in silver every single day, not as someone who invests, but because I run a sterling silver jewelry business. So I see demand, pricing, pressure, and buyer psychology in real life, not just on a chart or some YouTube video. And the reason I'm starting this series is simple. I've had beliefs about silver for years, and honestly, I failed to document it the way I should have. I was talking about 3-digit silver years ago, and the last time I can point to it on record is in an interview I did back in September 8, 2022. I'll put the link in the description below if you want to check it out, but that's where I mentioned 3-digit silver. That's the part why I'm doing this now. I want to just have everything documented and just share my thoughts and have it on record. And just so you understand how I see this whole silver story, I believe the gold to silver ratio can compress hard, even towards 1 to 10 long term. I believe more people are going to want the silver for one simple reason. It's a physical asset you can hold, and I believe convertibility gets easier where institutions and your commercial banks are going to want to buy it and deposit the value into your account like a normal transaction. Now, the next part might sound a little extreme to some people. Now, if you ask me personally where I think silver can go over time, again, not financial advice, just my personal conviction, I can see $300 silver. I can see $700 silver. And realistically, I can see it go even higher than that. And I know to some people, even today's price feels high, but I think it feels high because silver has been cheap in people's minds for decades. When something stays low for a very long time, people start believing that's what it's supposed to be. I just don't believe that's the real story long term. Now, the timing is the part I can't promise. I don't know if it's tomorrow, years from now. If you ask me on a personal level, my guess is 1 to 5 years, but I'm not certain, and it could take longer. And again, not advice, just my personal conviction. So let's get started. The first reason I think silver keeps rising is that silver is a small market compared to other major assets. When something is so small, it doesn't take the whole world piling in. A small wave of new money can move the price fast. And we have seen that in the past, and that's why silver feels quiet and then all of a sudden it feels unstoppable. Second, when uncertainty rises, people want things they can actually hold. They want something tangible, physical, something real. And that's one of silver's strongest advantages. It's accessible, it's tangible, and it feels like real value. Third, silver gets underestimated psychologically. Gold feels serious and silver feels like the little brother. But that's exactly why silver shocks people when the crowd finally respects it. It's rarely calm and it usually turns into a rush. And fourth, silver has a personality. It lags, it frustrates, it shakes people out. And then when it moves fast. A lot of people don't lose silver because they were wrong. They lose because they get exhausted and they quit right before the big move. Now, I'm not saying silver only goes up. It's volatile. So to stay grounded, I watch a few things. I watch whether pullbacks are getting bought faster than before. I watch whether physical demand stays strong, looking at availability, premiums, dealer behaviors. If more people want physical silver while supply tightens, you get pressure. If silver gets closer to gold with the ratio compressing towards 1 to 10, then it stops sounding insane. And if convertibility, which is huge, I'm going to make a video on this, keeps evolving, silver becomes easier for normal people to treat seriously. It's all perspective in my personal opinion. So guys, that's my belief on record. I'm calling it now, not after. Comment below and tell me what you think silver's best days are ahead, or do you think it's just stuck forever? In the next video, I'm going to show you my personal strategy, how I'm buying and why I'm not day trading this. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.